Hey lovies, welcome back to another recipe, and on today's recipe we're going to be making this super easy moist banana cake. So guys, let's get started with this recipe. I will start by putting in my wrapped banana in my bowl, and I'm going to be mashing it into a very smooth puree. For all the full list of the ingredients, do check out the description box so you can access them anytime you want to make yours. So I'll go ahead and transfer in my egg and melted butter. I'm going to whisk it. So I'm going to add in my brown sugar. Right now I'm going to add in some vanilla extract, which is optional. And I will go ahead and add in my dry ingredients, which are my flour, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. So I'm going to use my hand to whisk it until I get that smooth paste. You can also use your hand mixer to mix it properly. If you want it to be very fluffy, you just need to whisk it for about 4 minutes. So at this moment, I'm just adding in some crushed cashew seeds, which are optional. If you like, you can add in any nuts of your choice. I will go ahead and grease my baking pan with some butter. I will add in some flour, and I will transfer in my butter into the baking pan. Dab it on the floor to take off any excess air. And I'm going to sprinkle in more nuts on my butter. So at this moment, I have preheated my oven for 10 minutes on 190 degrees. So I'm going to be baking it for 45 minutes, or when you dip in your stick, rub it in your palm. If it comes out dry, then you would know that your cake is ready. Yeah, so guys, that's it. Ready, looking delicious and inviting. So I'm just going to cut a little to have with my nice hot cup of coffee. So guys, if you find this recipe helpful, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. Click on the bell icon that goes with it. That way you will be notified anytime I post any video. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also, do drop me a comment letting me know if you love this recipe and if you find it helpful. Till I see you on my next video. Bye bye.